is Carolyn and I work over here at Premier Fitness, and today we're going to be doing a stretching routine. This is something that you can implement into your daily activities. I typically do it before and after my workout. So we will start by taking one arm and bringing it over our chest. While we stretch, it is important to breathe. And during this, you might feel like some muscles are a little bit tighter than others, so if you need to spend a little bit extra time on one stretch, that is okay. All right, above our head. Okay, other arm. All right, next we're gonna bring one leg up. And we'll be stretching our quads here. This is good for your balance too. All right, other leg. Okay, now we're going to take a wide stance. We're going to reach up and come down. And just stretch as far as you can go. If you can't touch the ground, that is okay. Now we'll do about shoulder width apart. Reach up, come down. All right, and last one, we'll put our legs together here. Reach up, come down. Okay, now we're going to come down to the ground for a butterfly stretch. Put the bottoms of our feet together. We're going to try to push our legs down towards the mat, keeping our back straight. Good. One leg out. We'll reach toward it. All right, switch your legs here. Okay, this one is my favorite one. We'll stretch to the middle. This one I tend to do for a little bit longer. On this, make sure your knees are pointing up and not rolling in. All right. Now we're going to lie down on our back. We'll bring one leg across and pull back. Try to pull your leg back. Okay, now we'll do the other side here. Pulling that leg back towards our chest. Extend the leg upward. Okay. Now we'll take one leg, cross it over the other. Opposite arm will cross over and we'll stretch out that back. The other side here. Okay. Now, we're going to take one leg, try to put it parallel with your mat. If you can't get it all the way parallel, that's fine. Then we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna make sure we're stretching out our hip flexor here. So if this feels good upright, that's fine. You can come down on your forearms, that's good too. This is another stretch that I tend to hold a little bit longer because sometimes we miss stretching our hip flexors. Okay. You should also feel it all down the back of your leg here. So this is targeting a few different muscles. All right. So that is it for our exercise today. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is something really good to start trying to do. Even if you start doing it once a week, do it Saturday mornings. Just try to do this as often as you can and make it a habit. Stretching is really good for your muscles, and especially if you're exercising, you're not supposed to skip stretching because it is so important. So thanks for coming. Have a good one.